Hi, this quick video for exploring the graphing calculator, and I really need you guys to go through this. It's pretty much written out on the sheet what you're supposed to do, but I'm going to go through it with you anyway and point out some stuff. This screen right here is called our main screen. This is where you do your normal calculations, like 2 plus 5 equals, and then it gives you the answer over here. So this is called our main screen. Right below the screen are 5 buttons that you need to know. We're going to press each one and take a look at them. So if you hit y equals, this is where you're going to type in anything you want to graph. You're going to make sure that these plots at the top are off. You can bring your cursor up by hitting the up button, and if you hit enter, you can see if you take it off it's highlighted. I want to go back up and unhighlight it. These plots plot data points, which we'll use later, but so far I want those unhighlighted. And a lot of times if you graph wrong, part of the problem is those are highlighted. And we're going to type the following equations in. 2x plus 3, and then you move down off of that, and we're going to type in x, which is on this button right here. It says x, t, theta, and n, but if you hit it, it prints an x. And we want squared minus 4. And notice these two are highlighted. That means it'll graph both of them. If I only want it to graph one, I can go over and hit enter on the equals button, and it'll only graph the one that's highlighted. But I want them both. So I'm going to hit enter again to make sure they're both highlighted. Okay. Okay. The next button we want to hit is the window button, and that'll tell us how far we're graphing, from what to what. The default window is -10, and to get it, if you have something wacky on there, you just type it in and move yourself down. So this means it will type from -10 on the left of the screen to 10 on the right, counting by ones. This stands for scale, what it's going to count by. And then we're going to do the y's the same, from -10 to 10, counting by ones. This is the X resolution, and we don't need to do anything with that. And mine's a fancy one, so it's got some more stuff down here, but that's the main stuff we need to do. And this default window is one that you're going to need to know by name, because we use it often. I will yell out, hey, graph this on your default window, and you're going to need to do that. The graph button over here automatically graphs it. If you have not set the window correctly or typed in the equation correctly, you won't see your graph. And usually that's where kids make their mistakes. So if you hit the graph one, it's going to graph the first equation, that's 2x plus 3, and then it's going to graph the second one, which is a parabola x squared minus 4. And so it is going from -10 to 10, and each one of these are counting by ones. -10 to 10, each one of these counting by ones. So those are the main keys that we're going to use. If you need to get out of here, you're going to hit the second key and the quit key, and you're back to your main screen. And that's it. You're going to use what you've learned on the front sheet to go to the back sheet and graph some things and answer some questions. If you get it done before you leave class, you can turn it in. If not, take it home and finish it up. See you tomorrow.